Okay, so numeracy GCSE questions, right, non-calculator. If you look at question 1 then, Costa Coffee Store in Aberdare is trialling new prices for a cup of coffee, and it's 3 different sizes, right, small, medium, large. Small coffee costs £1.86, medium coffee costs £2.32, and a large coffee costs £2.95. Which is better value for money? You must give reasons for your answer, okay? Now, what we can do here, right, is because these are in different sizes, we can work out the value, all right, or the cost for 100 millilitres, okay, for each of these different sizes, okay? So, for instance, if we start with the small, right, it says that 300 millilitres costs £1.86, okay? So we can say, look, we can even write it like that, I suppose. 300 millilitres is £1.86. Now, if we could work out what 100 millilitres is, right, then we can do the same then for medium and large and compare. Now, to work out what 100 millilitres is, okay, we need to think about scaling down, okay, scaling down. And scaling down means it's going to be 3 times smaller, if you think about it, because 300 millilitres is that. To work out what 100 millilitres is, we would divide it by 3, right? So 1.86 divided by 3. Now, without a calculator, we can do the bus stop method, okay? And we divide them by 3. So 3 goes into 1, 0 times, yeah? 3 doesn't actually go into 1. So what we do then is we carry that 1 and we write it here, right? Decimal point then above. 3 goes into 18 6 times, okay? Exactly. And then 3 goes into 6 twice, all right? So we get 62 pence. So when you divide 1.86 by 3, you get 62 pence. So 100 mils cost 62 pence there. For medium, it says 400 millilitres costs £2.32. So then we can determine then what 100 millilitres is going to be, all right? Again, scaling it down, right? If you think about it, 400 millilitres is 4 lots of 100 millilitres. So we've got 4 lots of 100 millilitres making this. So if I divide it by 4, so 4 into 2 doesn't go, 0 times, so carry the 2. 4 into 23 goes 5 times exactly, with 3 left over, okay? And then 4 into 32 goes 8 times. So 100 mils will cost 58 pence, okay? So you can see already the medium is cheaper than the small, okay? Because for 100 millilitres you're only paying 58 pence, whereas for a small, you're paying 62 pence. You're paying more for 100 millilitres. Let's do the large. So you've got 500 millilitres for the large, which costs £2.95. So to work out what 100 millilitres is, we need to divide this by 5, yeah? Because this is 5 lots, if you think about it, 5 lots of 100 millilitres. So, divide it by 5, okay? 5 into 2 doesn't go, so we put a 0 there and carry the 2, decimal point above. 5 into 29, well, 5 times table goes into it 5 times, remainder 4. And then 5 into 45 goes 9 times. So that will be 59 pence. All right? So you could see then which is the better value for money. Medium is the better value for money. Medium size is cheapest, as it is 58 pence per 100 mils, which is a lot cheaper than the other 2 versions.